Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 wheels. First, let's explore why these wheels are so sought after. They offer a distinctive look and enhanced performance for your Corvette. We'll cover the essential steps to acquire them, whether you're seeking original equipment manufacturer parts or excellent aftermarket alternatives. Understanding your options is key to making the best choice for your vehicle. Finding your ZR1 wheels involves several avenues. You can visit authorized Chevrolet dealerships for brand new, original equipment manufacturer wheels, ensuring perfect fit and finish. Alternatively, many reputable aftermarket retailers offer high-quality replicas that mimic the iconic design. Don't forget to check online forums and specialized Corvette parts marketplaces, where you might discover excellent used sets at a more accessible price point. Before purchasing, it's crucial to confirm the correct specifications. ZR1 wheels typically feature a 19-inch diameter for the front and a 20-inch diameter for the rear. The bolt pattern is a standard 5-lug, 5 by 120 millimeters, which is vital for proper fitment. Always verify the offset and backspacing to ensure your new wheels sit perfectly within your Corvette's wheel wells, preventing any rubbing issues. Once you have your ZR1 wheels, professional installation is highly recommended. This ensures they are properly balanced and aligned, which is critical for driving performance and safety. Always use the correct lug nuts and adhere to the manufacturer's torque specifications for secure attachment. Finally, regular cleaning and inspection will help maintain their stunning appearance and extend their lifespan, keeping your Corvette looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.